and we have seen a set of good set of nouns and a set of visheshanani, and now let us practice using these along with the questions sahakaha, sahakidrishaha dash and so on, and we'll try to explore it further in this activity now. So this is the set of the visheshanani, and this is the set of the words namapadani that we have seen, which are all pullinga shabdas. We'll go in an order. So first we will probably take karaha. Okay, so I will ask the question saha kaha. So Ramji, can you answer? Saha kaha?
Saha karaha.
Okay. Saha kidrishaha karaha. So choose one of the correct adjective which makes sense. Karaha basically stands for hand. Karaha means hand. So what kind or how is this? How is the hand? If you ask a question, can you?
Saha sthulaha karaha.
That is right. Saha sthulaha karaha. Very good. Can you tell any other adjective that goes in with it?
Saha pivaraha.
That is saha pivaraha.
Saha krishaha karaha.
Krishaha. Very good.
Saha balishtaha karaha.
Right. Possible. So good. So in this way, we will have to identify the corresponding adjectives. We have just seen the adjectives with their meanings in our previous slides. So we will try to recall that. And most of these words are familiar to most of us because even if you are a South Indian person or a North Indian person, even in Hindi or regional languages, most of these words are probably there. Just a few of them might not be there. Okay, let me see which one. Okay, tarunaha. Okay, for this. Okay. Te ke?
Te tarunaha.
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 Okay, always remember saha taute, tarunaha tarunau tarunaha, ramaha ramau ramaha. Okay, te ke te tarunaha. Very good. Te kidrishaha tarunaha.
Te vishala tarunaha.
Vishala.
Okay.
Okay, Vishalaha, does it go hand in hand with Tarunaha? Tarunaha means a young boy.
Okay, te valishtaha tarunaha.
That is right. Te balishtaha tarunaha is a correct answer. Or you can use any other adjective as well from this. Te sundaraha tarunaha. Te dhiraha tarunaha. Krishaha tarunaha. Pivaraha tarunaha. And so on. Unnataha tarunaha. They are tall boys. Okay, that way also we can make use of.
Yes.
Hope
yes.
this activity is clear. So please, I request all of you to pay attention to this. So what you should do is in your notebook, write down the questioning words. Okay, that we have seen in the previous slides. Write down the questioning words saha kaha, tau kau, then take ke, and then similarly eshaha kaha, etau kau, ete ke, and next after that write down the next set of questions. Saha kidrishaha, put a dash, okay, put a blank. Next, tau kidrishau, te kidrishaha, eshaha kidrishaha, etau kidrishau, ete kidrishaha, and keep that ready. Now you can see that, and according to that number, you can ask the question.
Etau kidrishau gajau.
Etau sthulo gajau.
Very good, very good. That is right.
Tau kidrishau rathau.
Tau vishalau rathau.
Very good. Tau vishalau rathau. So those two are vast or big chariots. Those two are big chariots. Very good. Okay.
Saha kaha.
Saha vrikshaha.
Saha kidrishaha vrikshakaha.
Saha unnataha vrikshaha.
Very good. Saha unnataha vrikshaha. That is a tall tree.
Te ke.
Te.
Sainikaha. Sainikaha.
Te. Te is bahuvachanam. Saha tau te. Sainikaha sainikau.
Sainikaha.
Very good. Te sainikaha. Very good.
Te kidrishaha sainikaha.
Te shuraha sainikaha.
Shuraha sainikaha.
Te shuraha sainikaha.
Very good. Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Saha kaha. सः घटः
तौ कीदृशौ घटौ
तौ
How can you describe a pot? Pot can be big, pot can be beautiful. I'm just giving.
तौ बलिष्ठौ घटौ.
That's also is a strong pot. Okay, fine. Tau balishto gata.
एषः कः?
एषः शुकः
एषः कीदृशौ शुकौ?
Etau.
एषः
Etau कीदृशौ.
एतौ कीदृशौ शुकौ?
एषौ सुन्दरौ एतौ सुन्दरौ शुकौ.
Very good, very good. Dhanyawadaha. Well participated. So in this way, what we will have to do, this is the homework that you will have to practice. Write few questioning words on your own in the book. Use all these words, any of these words, and in all different vachanas. Okay, don't use just saha kaha, saha karaha, saha kidrishaha karaha, saha sundaraha karaha, saha kaha, saha ghataha, saha kidrishaha ghataha, saha sundaraha ghataha. Don't use the same words. Try to maximize the number of words, word combinations in among these two lists. Okay, so saha kaha, if you ask for karaha, then use etau kau for ghatau, and then use te ke for tataha, and so on. So in this way, use different vachanas and different words like saha or eshaha, and then try to use the corresponding adjectives that are possible for these. So you'll have to write in this way. If you say a set of 4 sentences, first will be a question, saha kaha, next will be an answer, saha karaha, next question, saha kidrishaha karaha, next answer, saha sundaraha karaha. So these 4 sentences will make one set. Like this, I want you to write and practice 25 sets. Okay, 25 sets, or okay, I'll make it 24, just reducing one, because we have 24 noun words that are there in the slide. 24 words are there in this slide. Frame these set of questions for each of these noun, and then try to accommodate corresponding adjectives along with this. So however, you will know the meaning of these adjectives or meaning of these words from the previous slides. So this will be uploaded most probably today itself, or max by tomorrow. So referring to these meanings, I want you to form these sentences correctly. Saha kidrishaha, eshaha kidrishaha, then tau kidrisho, etau kidrisho, te kidrishaha, ete kidrishaha. Okay, this will improve your 2 things here. Since we are writing it, it improves also our writing, and we'll pronounce it and say it, pronunciation, recitation, or the ucharanam, and then framing, the composing will also be there here. So please do this very diligently. Okay, so with that, I will these are the homeworks that you need to do for this class. Memorize the shabda rupani and dhatu rupani, rama shabda, vana shabda, etc. we have learned today. Also now expand that to other words that you have learned, like shunakaha, kakaha, etc. Take any other akaranta pullinga shabda and try to practice the forms. Okay, and similarly practice pullinga shabdaha, all the words that we have seen, the 12 words, balakaha, inaha, chandraha, suryaha, etc. And then frame sentences in all 3 vachanas along with adjectives, what all the adjectives that we have seen. This is the previous slide. Okay, so this is the homework for today. With that, let us conclude today's class. Of course, if you have any questions or any doubts, please write an email to raghu.vyoma@gmail.com. You can access all our course content, etc. from our course page, and also from YouTube playlist. You can access the previous recordings. I request you all to do the homework diligently, and let us meet again next week. Namo Namaha. Ram Ram Ram.